Hi fellow DIYers! Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. In this video, I'll teach you how to create a word search from scratch using CRICUT Design Space. You don't need another website to make it. You really just have to start from scratch. Very easy and fun to make. It's perfect for gift ideas or custom decor. So let's get started! Open your Design Space app, click Text. In this project, I'm going to be using CRICUT Sans, but you can also use any other font that's similar to CRICUT Sans. Type any 10 letters across and do it 10 times. I typed more than 10, but I'll delete the excess later. And then type the words that you like. Then set aside. Then adjust the letter spacing however distant you want them to be. I like mine to be at 5. And I'll adjust the line spacing to 5 as well. Now we need to align the letters. Grab the first column of letters and move it a little to this side, just so we have space for the second column. While the first column is still selected, click Align and then center horizontally. Repeat this step until we get all the letters aligned. I'm going to delete these excess letters. Now we're going to align the letters downwards. Now we need to align the rows. Grab the first row, then click Align and center vertically. And then repeat this step until we get all the rows aligned. Then you can put the words where you want them on your word puzzle. Now we need to align them again, so grab the first column and then select Align and then center horizontally. And this time we have to group them, so click Group. Repeat this step until we get all the letters aligned and grouped horizontally. Now I noticed that the second row is too close to the third row. So I'm just going to ungroup them again and adjust the spacing. Now I'm just going to group the columns again. And then select them and then click Align and then select Distribute horizontally. We can delete this. Now select all and click Attach. Then I'll make a template just like the ones I always do in my previous videos. So click Shapes and then click Square. Since I'm using a Dollar Tree 8x10 frame, I'm going to adjust the size of this template to 8x10. I actually made a mistake here. Instead of putting 10, I put 10.5. Good thing it didn't really affect the end result, but make sure you put the right size of the template. So I'm going to change the color to light gray. Then click the template and send to back. Then I'll adjust the size to however big I want my word search to be. And then I'll select all and then click align and click center horizontally. Then I'll add the phrase Happy Mother's Day, but you can choose what to put on top. Then I'll use Adelia. I got this font from thefont.com. I put the link in my description box. Now I'm adjusting the size so it will fit in my template. And I'm gonna add a little heart. Then select all and click align and center horizontally. Now we can remove this template because we don't need that anymore. And I'm just gonna change their color to dark gray. Now I'm going to strike the words with a paintbrush to highlight the names. To do that, we have to click images and type in brushy. Then I'm gonna select this one and add to canvas. And I'm just adjusting the size to the size of the word. And since I have 5 words, I need 5 of these. So click duplicate 5 times. Then adjust the size according to the word. Then right click and send to back. Then select these and then click weld. Then click make it. Now since I'm gonna put the brush strokes at the back of the mirror, I'm gonna need to mirror it. Then click continue. And I'm gonna click premium vinyl. I love using my brayer because it helps my material to lay flat easier and quicker. I love how easy it is to cut materials using this CRICUT rotary cutter. Now I'm going to use my Martha Stewart precision knife, cut across so it will be portioned. This technique helps me a lot when reading this kind of project. So this is my Martha Stewart precision knife, and this is my go-to craft knife. Now to help me weed this project a little easier, I just grab my CRICUT Bright Pad Go. It helps me see the fine details better. So this is my Dollar Tree frame. And just be careful removing the glass. And clean it with alcohol. Just give it a few swipes and set it aside. And I'm going to use this transfer tape, which I bought off of Amazon. Now I'm using the grid of my healing mat to align this project. Now we have to align the brush strokes to the words. And there we have it! If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. All feedback is welcome and any feedback is good feedback. Please subscribe to my channel and check out my other tutorials. See you on the next episode of DIY by Sass. Thanks for watching!